Hi all, in this video I'm going to explain you and demo you how you can create analytical graph with help of ChatGPT AI tool. This is super easy, very easy. In just few minutes you can create any graph such as bar graph, pie chart or any analytical graph by using ChatGPT AI. You don't need any knowledge of any tools to create bar graph or any graph. Suppose you need to create bar graph or pie with Excel, you should have a knowledge of pivot and then a couple of things you should know. With that you can do that, but with AI you can do just with English command. So let me show you how you can do with just easy 3 steps. The very first step is open ChatGPT URL. It will take hardly how many seconds? Few seconds. Then you should upload the data, which data you have. I'm going to demo you with Excel data, but other data also support ChatGPT, but I have not tested. The third steps is you have to tell your friend what kind of report you want. Your friend means ChatGPT AI. In English, you have to just say create bar graph with region and unit, create bar graph with unit x-axis and region y-axis. That's it. The ChatGPT will generate the graph for you, and you can just take a snapshot and copy paste whichever the report you want to be. Okay, let's jump to the Excel data first. Let me show you what Excel data with what Excel data I'm going to generate the bar graph, and then we will go to ChatGPT and I'll demo you how you can create a graph with ChatGPT. This is the sales data Excel. Here is order date, region, manager, salesman, item, unit price and sales amount. This is the Excel data. It's not very heavy. It's just 44 data. You can upload by this attachment. It is not allowing me right now, which I will explain in a minute time. Then as soon as I have uploaded, ChatGPT is asking me, you have uploaded a file, name this, how I can help you with it. Okay, and then I'm giving a command, create the bar graph. Then ChatGPT is responding me. It's my friend is asking me, the conversation is going on to create a bar graph. I will need to know the data you would like to visualize. Could you please specify which column or value you did like represented in the graph? Then I told create bar graph with region and unit, and see, boom, it is generated. See how beautiful it is generated. And then again I have given another command, create the bar graph with unit x-axis and region y-axis. See, boom, it's just in a few seconds this graph is created. And then again I have given a command, create the bar graph with manager and unit. See, now the message is coming. It seems like I can't do more advanced analytics right now. Please try again later. If there anything else I can assist you, let me know, because I have reached the limit. Because Analytical is a paid version, and if you want more Analytical, then probably you need to buy the plus one. And let me click here and show you. It is just $20 per month. What I feel, it's very helpful. With $20 it is doing a lot of work for you. I feel this is very worth to take the paid version, but you can take a call to buy or not buy. If you have a very minimal Analytical, so some of the free it is giving, make use of free, else buy the paid version and enjoy all the feature of ChatGPT. Thank you very much. If you like the video, give a like and subscribe the channel for upcoming lot of AI and data engineering videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.